Mic test, mic test. I hope you can hear me, and I hope you can see Sunny, and I hope you can see my landing pad, which is my absolute favorite accessory for Mavic Air 2. And yeah, hi guys, I'm Young. I'm Young. I'm in my usual protective gear, mask and everything, but I usually just don't wear it in my YouTube video. But this is basically my sort of usual self since about February. So today is actually one of those days that are just perfect, so that you just want to get out with your drone to take the hyperlapse. And yeah, today has been the day. That's why I'm just sort of in my chill gear, my mobile phone, and just travel really lightly. Just my drone, mobile phone, that's it, on my bike. So yeah, basically let me just get started on my little sort of drone vlog to see what I can capture on this absolutely beautiful, gorgeous early autumn day. So let's get flying. Also, the landing pad is perfect for sit down when you're outdoor. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my little flying around and about. There was an interesting balloon like flag where they say they should not shut down the park because of the housing. I don't know the situation, but I just thought it was a very interesting balloon. Red balloon on the backdrop of the mountain, green mountain behind. Quite pretty that way. So I hope you guys will also enjoy flying your drone. Fly safe with the drone, also fly safe with the mask. And I'll see you.